Alright, here we are. Got another episode of G-Core TV. Let's find out what we have. This guy's supposed to be here. 5 minutes. Pretty stoked. Oh, how do you pronounce this? Enkudtuvshin. Alright. See how we go there. Fucking 97% rating. The food will arrive at your door. Suck my ass. Oh yeah? Today we got a chicken burger with some truffle fries. So the chicken has some onion rings, lettuce, add some bacon, cheese. It's from a place I have never had before. But then today, got some hot sauce. All right. So let's put some just right over here so let me dip it. I'm pretty sure this stuff is quite spicy. Haven't had it for some time. It's called the Chili Factory Scorpion Strike. Stupidly hot barbecue sauce. Let's see if the white man suffers today. He's gotten away with way too much. Whoa. I didn't even have that much yet. Whoa. Oh boy. Yeah, this white man's gonna suffer. This also has jalapenos, but we all know they're not really that spicy. Fuck. It's hot. Oh shit. Alrighty. Let's dip it in here. This is really good. It has sriracha mayo in it, which is actually it's quite a lot of sauce on it. I'm getting it all over my hands. This is very good. Ooh, it's quite messy. Holy shit. Let's go for more hot sauce, buddy. Woo! The chicken adds a nice crunch to it. It's fried chicken with some onion rings. Holy fuck. Oh wow. Woo! Fuck. I reckon maybe if it had garlic aioli instead of the sriracha mayo, it might have a different flavor to it, just because I love garlic so much. Not to say it's bad tasting. Whew. Whoa. Yeah, the white man is suffering just a little bit here. Oh boy. It gets to the point where It's so hot. Well, it's not like super hot, but it's where you don't even taste the food so much anymore. It's just like, yeah, you're just eating something and it's just burning. All right, let's continue. Whew. Oh. Yeah, I might have a rough afternoon after this. All right. Fuck. And now I'm eating something I'm familiar with, you know? Burgers. Mmm. Well, not too bad. You still have these truffle fries though. Let's get to it. I guess because they've been sitting for a little bit, they're kind of cold, but. Fuck. It doesn't taste that good with the barbecue sauce either. So on top they just have cheese and some garlic. They're not bad. Very good. My hand's a little greasy now. My hand's a little greasy now. It's hard to press down on the chips. That's right. In Australia, we call French fries chips. If you don't know, now you know. And we don't. And ketchup is called tomato sauce. Yeah, I know they're weird, but. I have to say my stomach is like kind of uneasy now. Like it doesn't feel that good. I feel winded. Whoa. Something's wrong. Uh-oh. It seems like the toilet may be my best friend later, but that's not anything new. A lot of garlic in this. It's quite a filling meal. I think my brain cells are coming back. I hope so. Whoa. Living meme. All right, let's get to it. Let's finish it now. Dying here. Oh, one last one on the barbecue. Don't even know if I want this. Torturous. That was actually a really good meal. Perfect amount of chicken, bacon, cheese, jalapenos, garlic, and hot sauce. Although I feel like I'm gonna be sick. Comment below, what do you think I should eat next time? It's G-Core TV. I'm out.